Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to protect a workbook with a password and then also how to unprotect it. So we're going to open a file that currently does not have a password. As you can see, opening the file was straightforward. However, there will be circumstances where protecting the file with a password will be crucial. So for example, in instances where you're working with sensitive data and you want to restrict access to a file. In those circumstances, you can simply go to File, Info, Protect Workbook, Encrypt with Password. For this video, we're going to use a simple 123 password. I recommend that you use a more complex one for your purposes. Click OK, re-enter the password, click OK again, and the file will need to be saved. Save, close, open again, and as you can see, a password is required to open the file. So typing 123 will open the file. So let's try that again and intentionally put an incorrect password. 1234. Yep, that has rejected the password we've entered because it's the incorrect password. Now, there will be circumstances where you will want to unprotect a file that has a password. In those circumstances, open the file with the password, go to File, Info, Unprotect, Encrypt with Password, and simply remove it. Click OK, save, close, open the file again, and it should open without the need for a password, as you can see. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this was useful. Bye.